In the last video, we set up the Reya SDK and configured the N file. In this part, we will use it to make our trade. Inside the SDK folder, there's an examples folder. Here you can find all the sample files for working with the SDK and placing trades. Now let's go into the RPC folder and open trade_execution.py. In this file, you'll see an example function that opens a trade. By default, it uses SOL. There are two lines here, one for long and one for short. For now, I'll comment out the short line. If you click on market ID or symbol, you can see all the supported tokens. Let's say I want to trade OP token. I just replace the Solana token with OP. Next, I set order underlying base equals 10. That's the size of the position. If you want to go short, just make it negative, like -10. Now I save the file and run it with this command. You'll see a transaction hash. You can check that hash on the Reya Explorer. Let's also go to the Reya Dex UI to confirm the trade there. Finally, if you want to close the position, we just set the reverse size. So in this case, -10 will close the long position. And if we run it again, it will open a short position instead.